So, hi guys. So, nakaano kami. So, tinali ko lang si Abby, stop! I said don't touch it! No! This lang, this. Touch this. Oh, look at it first. I will look at it. I will let you put this. Look at it. Oh. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, Abby. Abby! Look at it. Okay. Let's do other book.
Ashley, huwag kayo dyan sa kwarto. Ano na naman, ba't kinuha mo yung sa bag ko? Ibalik ko nga yan. Balik mo yan.
Ayun lang guys. Ay, hindi pa pala guys. Check natin. Can you see? Go like this. Go like this. How cute! Ma, tingnan mo si Abby. Ma! Look! Very good. Look. Ma, tingnan mo si Abby. Ma! Tingnan mo si Abby, oh. Joke lang. Ate. Excuse me. Excuse me. Me turn. It's me turn. Don't touch that. I need that. Abby! I said don't touch it. Oh, go there na. Watch na, bunda. Watch na, bunda. Oh, patay mo yung TV. Dili, patok. Sa part 2 na lang muna guys. Kasi malapit na matapos. Yung Rio kasi namin so, ano. Bye, sa part 2 na lang.